Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you are trying to choose between Cozi and Family Wall, you are looking at two of the most popular family organizer applications available today. Both are going to help keep your family on schedule, but they focus on the different strengths. So let's compare them in this video. So first of all, both the applications make it very easy for you to manage the shared family calendars and keep everything updated on the upcoming events. Cozy focuses on the simplicity. The calendar is very easy to navigate. That makes it a great choice if you just want to organize the schedules without a lot of extra features. Family Wall offers a more modern experience and it includes additional planning tools alongside the calendar that is going to give you more ways to manage your daily life. Now, when it comes to organizing household responsibilities, Family Wall has the advantage. You can manage the tasks, shopping lists, meal planning, and family activities from the single application. Cozy also includes lists and reminders, but its main focus remains scheduling and basic family organization rather than creating a complete family management system. Now, if you want something that is easy to learn and quick to set up, Cozy is often the simpler option that you can try. Most of the features inside it are straightforward and it requires a very little configuration. Family Wall provides you more tool and customization, but that also means that there are more menus, settings to explore before everything is set up exactly how you want it. So if this video helped you understand this, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.